Alright guys, so I'm about to take you through my house. I got a couple people who asked me where I've been and where I moved to, so I decided to show you guys my new space based on requests for it. And I'm excited to show you guys this. This place makes me really happy because I manifested everything that I wanted in this place, so it means a lot to me. Even though I am a lot further from my friends, it's something I needed for now. So I'm about to show you my space and I hope you enjoy. I can't be like MTV Cribs like I wanted to because a certain somebody didn't come over to record this video. I wanted to be walking and talking, but it didn't happen that way, okay? So I'm gonna do it. And yeah, welcome to Linda's Casita. This is the entrance to my house. This is my Jamaica thing that I got from Jamaica a few years ago. You're gonna have to just excuse the suitcases right here because I'm getting ready to leave actually to the airport soon. But this is my entryway. This is obviously not a real plant. This is Moolah. This is one of my favorite plants. This is so gorgeous. I mean, I love all my plants actually, but this is Moolah. And this is my little hallway. Disregard, it's Christmas time, so these are people's gift boxes. But this is my entryway from the garage. I have a lot of room. I have a 2-car garage. So yeah, I have a second open spot. Then I'm currently washing, but I stopped the dryer so it wouldn't be loud. But this is my washer dryer situation. Then this right here, this is my bedroom, my same bed that I love, my same night. But this is my mama plant. I call her mama because she's like the mother of all plants because she's the biggest, the tallest. I know she needs to be pruned at the top. You don't have to remind me. Yeah, my baby didn't get no sun, so that's struggling right there. But yeah, then I just have my sea salt lamp next to me. Depending on the night, I turn it on. I have some of my favorite crystals next to me, my citrine, my rose quartz, my amethyst, and my angelite. Over here, I just have my chakra incense holder. I love Yankee candles, so I always have them. And this baby right here is Sweetheart. This is one of my succulent plants that I absolutely adore. This is my bathroom. I pretty much love my shower. So I have some dried eucalyptus up there. Boom, with some of my fave products. I love Dermalogica and Glam Glow, I love them. And my cast-out soap, I gotta have my Dr. Bronner's cast-out soap. This is my dual sink that I switch up. Sometimes I use this one, sometimes I use this one. I try to switch it up, keep it even. And again, I haven't got any towel sets yet for the bathroom or my shower pad thing, whatever. I'm slowly but surely working my way up to that point to get everything, the last minute things that I need. This is from my last place as well, but it worked really good because I love golds. I love like metallic. So I love gold the most, but I will tie silver into it if I can. Even though the bottle in the back is empty, like I like bringing golds and silvers together. And you'll eventually see that when we go upstairs. You'll see I love gold so much. This is one of my favorite incense holders too, and I have no clue where I got it from, but it makes me so happy. And then this has been like my holy grail hand soap. This is random, but this is vanilla mint. It's a plant-based made soap, and I love it, so I'm just sharing that. This is my closet. It looks like chaos on the camera, honestly, but it's actually not. So it's color coordinated by long sleeve. These are color coordinated dresses. These are color coordinated pants, color coordinated robe. Then up here is all my gym clothes. And then like just miscellaneous skirts. Then again, looks like chaos, but it's right here scarves and color coordinated, no sleeve, short sleeve, sweaters, color coordinated jeans. And then some random bras that I just bought. This was actually another piece that I brought from my old place. So I just added it in the hallway. It's one of my favorite ever Bible or verses, I should say. It's so true. This is from my last place as well. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I broke the frame, but you wouldn't know unless I told you. So I'll probably replace the frame eventually, but I love this piece. When I got this piece, it reminded me of me and my sister Teresa, and that's actually what made me get the piece, because even though we don't say it, that really is my best friend. So that's me and her. All right, so let me take you upstairs. I'm going to turn these lights off because they're unneeded. So this is the kitchen, and the kitchen truly is my dream kitchen. I've always wanted a white kitchen. And as much work as it is, honestly, it makes me so happy because I know by the time I have kids, it won't be a thing. So I'm trying to get it out of my system now. So everything's all white. This is my dishwasher, my sink. Yeah, I really love my kitchen. My incense burner with my ohms. My cookbook's the Island Girl edition. I got it from my dad. Actually, it was either a birthday present or a Christmas present from him, and it was the cutest thing because I go back and forth between being vegan and alkaline vegan, so it was really cute that my dad got that for me. And then I have my other Buddha right here. This made me so happy. Like, I had this vase for so long and I never used it for anything, and then it just literally worked so perfectly. Like, with the silver that's in my quartz counters, it's worked out. I truly manifested everything about this kitchen. Like, I wanted an all white kitchen. I've always wanted white quartz counters, and I got it. Prayers, everything, and so is manifestation. So next, this is my living room area. I still want to add some like fur pillows to my couch, but for right now, that's cool. I have my chair, matching chair over here. This is like my friendship table. I have a few of my really close friends. So pretty much I try to take portraits, not portraits. You guys know what these are, okay? I just can't think of the word right now because I need to eat. But I try to take these of all my friends. I want to like one day have like all of them. But this is like my friendship table. I guess you could call that that. Now I'm going to show you guys my plants. This is Royalty. This is Sunshine. Sunshine's been going through some things, so I'm gonna have to cut him and replant him. But that's my baby. He's been riding with me for literally like almost, about to be 3 years actually. So he's been through some things, but look at Sunshine coming back for the win. Look at that. Go ahead, beautiful Sunshine. So this is my rider plant. Oh, I didn't introduce you to Kathy. This is Kathy. I actually named her Kathy because the lady at Lowe's actually helped pick her out, and her energy was just so beautiful that like we just talked about being a plant mom, and it was just really beautiful, so I ended up naming my plant after her. This right here is Christian, and I actually named this plant Christian because the person who helped me find this plant, he was so calm, and like his voice was so calming. He like soothed me. So that's what this plant does for me. It soothes me, and you know, she's been going through he's been going through some things too. I have to prune some of his, you know, leaves or whatever because I've been gone. But other than that, this is my little rider. Got some new leaves right here. Then this is Snake right here. And yes, the name is probably not the best, but it's my little snake plant, and he makes me really happy. I actually split him in two, so you'll see his other half, but I love him. Babe, this is Babe right here. Babe is kind of struggling. I was gone for a while and I totally forgot to leave some sunshine for her. So, you know, I do have to go in and prune her, but this is my baby. I love her. I absolutely love her. She has a lot of new fawns coming in. Look at that. She has one about to sprout right here. She's one sprouting here, and she's just beautiful. You make me so happy. You do. And then, as you can see back here, boom. This is like every plant owner's, like it should be all of our first wants for Christmas or any season. So I actually keep this plugged in at all times. This is Katchy, and I have it on automatic mode. So basically what that means is it comes on at night when there's no lights on, and it's basically a UV light. So it looks like this, and then it has a this really sensitive fan. But what I'm about to show you is kind of gross because I did try to bring in a new plant in my house, and like I do this plant mom stuff, and I looked at this plant, and as much as it was so beautiful to me, I knew like do not bring this plant home because there's gnat damage on it. But the lady, she talked me into it, and she was like, no, there's no gnat damage, like this plant is fine. Brought this plant in my house, and yeah, I started getting gnats. Like, I was like, no, this is not about to work. What I did is I put my Katchy by it just to prove that I wasn't crazy. And look at this, literally just pop it open right here. Look at all these gnats from that one plant. Disgusting, right? So I just keep it there. Basically, for anybody wondering how this works, it's pretty much, it attracts the gnats to the UV light, and then when the fan comes on, it pushes them to the bottom. So that's how they get trapped in there. The thing is amazing. The reason why I haven't changed the pad is because it still has some stick to it. But I totally just disregarded that whole plant. That plant is no longer at my house. But because of that, sometimes gnats will try to, like, you know, spread and go to your other plants. So because of that, I've just been keeping it plugged in because I don't want any of my plants at home to get infested. So it's been doing a great job. I haven't seen like many gnats. Maybe like I've seen 2 gnats like since I threw that plant away, which is really good because as you can see, it was gnat infested. So shame on you, lady, for lying to me and selling me that plant. But that Katchy, if you own plants, it is life-saving. Like if I didn't have that in my house and I brought that plant, I would probably have to get rid of all my plants because I can't do insects. I can't do gnats. I can't do any of that. They're my holy grail. So I'm definitely gonna leave a link for it in the description box below if you wanna see how to get that. Yeah, all the plant moms and dads. Then this right here is my beautiful simpatico. Like when I first got this plant, it was flat to the rim. He has grown so much, like it's just absolutely beautiful. I love him. And then, you know, I've actually had this since my last place. One of my best friends, Brianna, made it for me for my iamLindaElaine release, and like now I just love it as a decorative piece because, you know, it means something. Like she spent a lot of time on it, and I helped her towards the very end, but the majority of it is her work, so she's amazing. And then down here is pretty much just all my crystal books. Showed you my couch. That's my little Buddha down there. And yeah, this is my living room space. These curtains are actually textured, so even though they're sheer, they do block you out. Like you can't actually see directly in my place, which is great because it still brings in a lot of light for me, but you can't really see what's going on. But I tend to open them at some periods of time just for my plants to get some, you know, some light. Let me show you the patio that I never occupy. This is it. I have yet to even step out on my patio. I don't know why. This is my TV station, my little African statue. I love candles, so that's my woodwick candle, another candle that says love, and then an old picture of me and my sisters and my nephew. Moving on. This is my closet. One of my closets, I use it as storage, you know, for like office stuff, extra blankets and such like that. This is my guest bathroom. Don't mind the shower curtain. It definitely needs to be steamed. I'm still trying to like get this together. Like I wanted to get like towels for it and such. Yeah, this is my bathroom. This is me. This is my guest room. I haven't finished it or really even started it. This is my bed I got from Zionist. I'll leave the link of that in the description box as well, but it's like this tufted headboard and it's super cute. And I put it together with Brie, and it was like, it took a while, but it was super easy to put together. And I did sleep on it. And it is a nice bed, like this sturdy. It's a little bit lower platform, which I wanted to do for this room because the ceilings are high. So I have like my vision for it. I still want to add some plants to it and like get a nightstand for the lamp and such. But yeah, this is my guest room. And then like I just pretty much use the closet for like coats and dresses. This is my little hallway. I have my YouTube plaque right there for the 100K. I have my leadership award from college when I graduated. And then this is my favorite room. I mean, like my bedroom's my favorite, but like this is my favorite room. So as you can see, I have my disco ball. I'm trying to get a bigger one so that more light can bounce off. But as you can see, it kind of creates, like when it's really sunny, it creates all of my little dots all around my room. It's such a vibe. It makes me so happy. This is where I record now. So this is my little setup. This plant right here is my beautiful My Love, and it's a Monstera plant as well. As you can see, I love Monsteras. It's my little incense. This is aloe, my baby right here, that I do cut when needed. Aloe's trying to grow back. He's trying to grow black. I see him right there. Okay. I've had these things from the last place, but I keep them because I just love it. I love African art because I embrace my African ancestry. I have a new journal that I'm so hyped to use in 2020 because it says 2020. I'm so hyped. Then I also have a calendar over there for 2020 that I'm hoping to use. Then right here is my beautiful Amarita. And as you can see, she's sprouting right here as well, and she's another monstera, and she's just so beautiful. It makes me so happy. This is Snake 2.0. This is his other half that I told you about. This cactus right here is Snow White, and I love, love, love my baby. So this is just my bookshelf. I just have some of my favorite stones on it. As you can see, believe and love, just those words because they mean a lot to me. Another Buddha. You guys know I'm really zen, I'm really like tranquil. I just try to keep all my spaces like that. I actually got this bad boy when I was in Morocco, so I just recently added that to the mix. I really like it. Also got this right here in Morocco as well. It's actually a candle holder. I just didn't light a candle today in it. And I just think it's so crazy how everything flows so well with this picture, like, because that was like my favorite like museum like ever. And then I said, you know, there's things I want to incorporate still for my bookshelf. Like I want to add a bigger sea salt or either a geoid down there. I'm going to add another plant, a falling plant most likely, and then just another picture of me and my best friends on the East Coast. Like those are my sisters and I have no pictures of them in my house. I told them when I get there, we're taking pictures, so they'll be up there. I love my curtain. This is like my backdrop, but it's also when I'm meditating or in here stretching. I use this with just no lights on and it looks so beautiful because it like lights up my tapestry, but like it's enough light that I can see what the heck I'm doing, especially because I always light candles. It just creates a really like zen and peaceful place for me. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed my tour of my personal zen space. It makes me really happy. It's pretty much everything that I prayed for in my next place. So it's a big change from my last one. If you follow me on Snapchat, then I'm sure you've seen my last place. But this place was everything that I asked for and everything that I prayed for, and that's how I know manifestation is everything. So definitely use your words and say what you want and things that you need, and it will come to you. Just have faith and be patient, you know? Yeah, like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicanBeauty, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.